Every day, an airport makes thousands of decisions in real time, but the data behind them is scattered across dozens of disconnected systems. Flights, baggage, gates, staff, incidents, assets, each locked in its own silo. The full picture is always one spreadsheet away. JETData brings it all together. One unified data platform for the entire airport operation. And it works with the data you already have. Paper forms, photos and images, scanned PDF, Word documents, and Excel sheets. Send them to JETData, and AI boxes extract the information and store it automatically, with no disruption to how your teams work. Once it is in JETData, that single source of truth feeds everything. Live monitoring systems on the operations floor, and the dashboards your leaders use to decide. Describe the tool you need in plain English, and AI builds it. Turnaround tracking, inspections, incident reports live in days, not months. See every operation on live dashboards. Get an automatic alert the moment a target slips. One source of truth, updating in real time. From the apron to the terminal, from baggage to boarding, smarter decisions, smoother operations, a better passenger experience. JETData, the unified data platform built for AI.